Hello, this is Laura, and welcome to Become a Fluent English Speaker. Welcome to day 44 of your English Fluency Challenge. Today, we are going to work on something very practical, speaking English in real-life situations like shopping, traveling, and handling daily tasks. Because real fluency is not just about speaking in practice. It is about using English in real situations with confidence. Let me ask you something honestly. Do you feel nervous when you have to speak English in real situations like ordering something or asking for help? Do you feel like your mind goes blank even when you know the words? That is what we're going to improve today. Today, you will learn how to handle everyday situations with confidence and clarity. Let me tell you something important. Real-life English is simple. You do not need complex sentences. You need clear, direct, and confident communication. Let's start with a simple situation. Shopping. When you go to a shop, you can't say, "I am looking for this item," or "Do you have this in another size?" These are simple and useful sentences. Now let's go deeper, asking for information. For example, you can say, "Could you tell me where this is?" or "How much does this cost?" These phrases help you in many situations. Now let's practice. Imagine you are in a store. You say, "Hello, I'm looking for a shirt. Do you have this in a different color?" This is natural and clear. Now let's move to your first exercise. It is called real-life speaking. Choose a situation and speak for 1 minute. For example, imagine you are ordering food. You say, "I would like to order something. Can I have this item and also this?" Continue and add more details. Now your second exercise is ask follow-up questions. Do not stop after one sentence. For example, "How long will it take?" Or "Is there any other option?" This helps you stay in control. Now let's go deeper. Your third exercise is handle travel situations. For example, you can say, "Where is the nearest station?" or "How can I get to this place?" These are very useful in real life. Now let's practice real conversation. Imagine you are asking for directions. You say, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to this location?" This is polite and natural. Now let's move to something powerful. Your fourth exercise is solve small problems. If something is not right, speak clearly. For example, "I think there is a mistake," or "I need help with this." This shows confidence. And now let me share something important. Confidence in real situations comes from practice. The more you imagine and practice these situations, the easier they become in real life. Now let me talk to you honestly. You have reached day 44. That means your English is not just fluent. It is becoming useful, practical, and ready for the real world. You are learning how to handle situations with confidence. This is a powerful skill. Now let's do one strong exercise together. Imagine you are in a restaurant. Speak for 1 minute. Start, "Hello, I would like to order." Continue, add questions, responses, and details. Keep going. Now let me give you one powerful tip. Stay calm and speak slowly. Even simple English becomes powerful when you are clear and confident. Now let's do one final practice. Imagine you are traveling and need help. You say, "Excuse me, I need some help. Could you tell me how to reach this place?" This is clear and natural. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, day 44 complete. And this time, write one real-life sentence you can use in a daily situation. Keep it simple, but make it practical. This is Laura, and remember, real fluency is not just speaking. It is using English confidently in real life. I will see you in day 45. Keep going.